Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pair an Xbox Series X controller to your Xbox Series X console, but this is going to be a similar process if you're also using a Series S or even an Xbox One. So what you want to make sure is that you have a fresh set of batteries or something that has a charge in them, and then click the Xbox button on your controller to turn it on. You also, of course, want to make sure that your Xbox is powered on by clicking the power button. And then at the top of your controller, there's a little pairing button. You're going to hold that down for about 3 or so seconds until your controller goes into pairing mode. And then there's a button down here on the Series X. It's right above the USB port. We're going to click that. And then that puts our Xbox Series X into pairing mode. And eventually our controller should pair over to our console. And then on screen, it might give you a message that asks you to update your controller. You can just click A on your controller to get that process going. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you how you can pair an Xbox controller to your Xbox console. The example that I used here was the Series X and the new Shock Blue controller that is made for the new Xbox Series X or S. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.